Hi, I'm Joshua, the Denton Terminal Manager. Today, we will talk about stopping at stop signs. There is no such thing as a rolling stop or a California roll. There is only failing to stop. You are all professional drivers. You are state certified and paid to operate commercial vehicles. Failing to stop is not the actions of a professional. While approaching an intersection, how far ahead are you looking? Do you allow over 15 seconds in clear weather to clear an intersection? When you don't, you are putting yourself and those around you at risk. An estimated 1/3 of all intersection crashes over 40% of fatal crashes occur at stop sign controlled intersections in the US. Almost 700,000 police reported accidents happen at stop signs each year, and roughly 1/3 of those involve injuries. Is saving a few seconds really worth that as a professional driver? Please watch these videos. After seeing that, is saving 15 seconds worth the risk? Below are photos from the accident you just watched. Thankfully, there were no serious injuries. Thank you for taking your time out of your day to review this material. Strive to make good decisions. We appreciate all you do, and we care about you. Have a great day.